In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Klaviyo pop-up that converts. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just getting started, a well-crafted pop-up can significantly enhance your subscriber engagement. Let's dive in together and walk through the process step by step. First things first, navigate to klaviyo.com and log into your account. It's like entering the control room of your marketing spacecraft. If you're new, you might want to explore a bit, but for now, let's focus on creating that pop-up. Once you're logged in, head over to the Klaviyo dashboard. Here, you'll spot a navigation menu on the left-hand side. Look for the option labeled Sign Up Forms. This is your gateway to crafting attention-grabbing pop-ups. Once you're inside the Sign Up Forms section, direct your gaze to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Create Form. Clicking this button is the equivalent of opening a blank canvas ready for your creative touch. Klaviyo provides you with a head start by offering a selection of pre-built templates. These templates are great if you're looking for something quick and polished. However, if you have a specific vision in mind, feel free to click Create from Scratch and let your creativity roam free. Now that you're in the preview modal, it's time to name your form. Naming your form might seem simple, but it's essential for keeping your workspace organized, especially when you have multiple projects running. Once your form is aptly named, let's move on to making it visually appealing. You'll find yourself in the Styles tab, where you can adjust the form's design and sizing. Think of it as choosing the outfit for your pop-up, enough style to catch the eye yet straightforward enough to convey your message clearly. While you're here, play around with the fonts, background colors, and other visual components. Your form should be cohesive with your brand, so let these elements speak to your brand's identity. With the aesthetics in place, decide on the form type. You can opt for a pop-up, flyout, full page, or embedded form. Each type serves a different purpose, so think about what aligns best with your goals. A pop-up can be a bit bolder and catches attention on entry, while embedded forms provide a more seamless experience for visitors. After designing and choosing the suitable type, take a moment to review everything. Once you're content with your creation, it's time for the final magic touch. Click Publish and watch as your Klaviyo pop-up goes live, ready to connect with your audience in meaningful ways. And that's it, you've just crafted a Klaviyo pop-up designed to enhance conversions. Remember, a great pop-up isn't intrusive, it should blend well with the user's experience while ensuring they get value out of engaging with it. Thanks for joining me today. I'm looking forward to seeing how your creativity transforms your marketing strategies.